Okay, good morning everybody on this Wednesday morning. I hope you're all exceedingly well. We've only got a few tickets to go through today, so without further ado, let's get it going. The first one we've got is VPHM, which you can see up there at the moment. Upward trending support line. Yep, I mean it's being pretty true to that support line. If I was going to nitpick on this, and again, this is only a nitpicking. The lows are getting the highs are getting a little bit lower, okay, but the lows are getting lower as well. So you've got this sort of diverging line that's coming down, and you find a breakout one way or the other. Generally speaking, in these kind of situations, well, it has to break out somewhere along the line because obviously it can't just keep going in this channel here. So the longer term obviously is the upward trend, the upward trending support line. We would by then expect it to break north. But it's a lot more difficult to speculate on these kind of trades than something that the highs are just getting higher. So just be aware of that as well. Then we have DGI, Delta Golf India, upward trending support line. Again, you see this one is a little bit different in contrast to the VPHM because the highs are generally getting higher. Yes, it has gone a little bit lower here, but generally speaking, the longer term it has been going up as well. DGI, then we have GPX, Golf Papa X-Ray, upward trending support line. Again, you see this is a better example of the highs getting higher. A bit of an aggressive sell-off here. Having a look in here, we're looking for really a good entry point. If I was to see something like this as a new low, say today, then it'd be a lot more appealing than obviously seeing what we have at the moment, because that's still a down day there. Then we have HSTM, Hotel Sierra Tango Mike, downward trending resistance line. There is some support around about the $20.70 mark. So that's to be aware of, and again, that is the longer term support. So whether that will win out or the downward trending horizontal line will win out is pretty much anyone's guess. I guess that the longer term support has been it is the longer term support on the horizontal line, but obviously we've got a lot more bounces on this resistance line, so it'll be interesting to watch that one. Then we have Jazz, and that is an upward trending support line. Again, it ran up very high here, then had some momentum around here and sold off, and the high is getting higher, higher. We're seeing some reasonable indecision around here as well, so yeah, no major issues with that one. Okay, and we have Q-Core. Big sell-off here, but since October it's been going steadily up. The highs have been getting higher as well. A pretty big sell-off day yesterday, which was Tuesday. So again, I probably wouldn't take that trade straight there. I'd be looking for a better entry point to take that trade if I was going to take it. Then we have CBT, Golf Tango Bravo. Again, the highs are getting higher, which is nice. Upward trending support line, but maybe fractionally missed that trade. Maybe that was a trade that you could have taken on Monday or Tuesday, because obviously that's some indecision there. I don't know what the ratios would have been. Looked pretty decent though. So I think that bolted up obviously yesterday. But if that comes back down to the support line, gives it an entry point, then you might want to have a look at it. Then we have Tech, which is a line of support around about the $65 mark. This concerns me a little bit though, because this was an up day, so it basically went really low but then closed up higher as well. So strictly speaking to the rules, you're going to have to use that as your stop order, which you'll probably find is going to destroy your ratios, or maybe not, but it would be a much more attractive trade should it be should that not have been there. So all these little things you just got to weigh up there. Then we have CDXS. We've got some downward trending, longer term downward trending resistance. Then you've got a horizontal support at around about the $2. Very small stock. But yeah, the longer term trend is a downward trend. Again, you're going to find a breakout one way or the other here over the next few weeks or months. But yeah, again, that's a very small trade. Then we have IMGN, and resistance line around about $16. Bounce, bounce, bounce. We do have an upward trending support line here as well to be aware of, to see that. And again, the longer term trend is the horizontal one, but I would expect there to be some resistance or some support when it came down to the actual support line here as well. So that's some insights for you on the trading. Well done for submitting them. If you're submitting them and you're actually active, then by nature it's just going to improve your trading. So have a great day's trading, and I will speak to you Friday morning again. Thanks, folks. Oh, yeah, that's fine. Cheers.